Okay, hi everyone. So boys and girls, you have some work to do for next week, and it is on greater than, less than. And we were doing a lot of that stuff in class, so I just want to remind you, especially because maybe moms and dads haven't done that like this with you before. There's some sheets to print off. If you don't have a printer, don't worry. Just write down the numbers on a piece of paper with a crayon, pencil, whatever you have is fine. But let's remind ourselves that what are greater than and less than and then equal signs look like, okay? So this alligator opens up to, this is greater. So the opening, the big opening, opens to the bigger number, okay? And this one is less than. So the pointy, small point points to the smaller number. And then equal to is when the numbers are the same, okay? So let's do an example of what you might see on one of the sheets that you're going to print off, okay? So if I have the number, so we have greater than, less than, and equals to, okay? Equals means they're the same. So if you want, you can just do plain arrows like this, or you can make it fancy and make your little alligators like this, how we used to do in class. It's up to you. So if I have a number 5, and I have the number 17. So I say to myself, there's 5, there's 17. Which number is greater? So I'm going to make my arrows like that. So how I read that is 5 is less than 17 because the 5 came first. Now if I had 17 first, and then I had 5, I would say 17 is greater than 5, okay? And if I happen to have, say, 11 and 11, well then I would say 11 is equal to 11. They are the same value, okay? So what you can do is you can work on the sheets that I've put on your weekly work, or you can do some other interesting things. If you have dice at home, you can roll two dice, and you can add what the numbers are, and then you can roll them again, and you can play a game like that to see which one is greater, which one is less. You can just grab your counting collections. You can grab an amount of things, and then have somebody else grab another amount, and then you can each count yours and decide which one is greater, which one is less. So you can do greater than, less than, or equal to with lots of different things that you have in your home. Okay, hope that's helpful.